opposite sides of the tower. So that is the tower. So two persons, they are in the opposite side. So this is the first line, we can draw the figure. Okay, so two persons are standing on the opposite sides of the tower. Okay, so this is the tower, two persons, so person 1 and this is person 2. Okay, so they observe an angle of elevation. So what do you mean by angle of elevation? When you see the upper side, so we have an angle here, so that angle is called angle of elevation. So I have told you in my last reading, so this is angle of elevation. So two persons are there, so we have a two angles. Okay, so here also we have an angle, so angle of both are angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degree and 38. Okay, so we can give 30 degree and 38 here, so you can give any places, that is doesn't matter. Okay students, so person 1 30 degree, person 2 38 degree. Okay, so what is the questions? Find the distance between them. So the two persons we have, so we are going to find the person's distance. So this is the distance. Okay, so we have to find the distance, person 1 and person 2, between them distance. Okay, so give a name A, B, C and usually we take it as D. Okay students, so this is P1, P2. So we have to find BC, the distance between BC. Okay, so do you understand the question mark? So what is the tower? So this is the tower, AD is the tower. So I am just writing here. See, this is the tower. So you have two persons, one person is here and another person is here. So you have to find the distance between the two persons. Okay, so you have two findings. Okay, so what is that? We have to find the distance BD and DC. Okay, so if you find both the distance, if you add, we will get the answer. So how will you find? So, and another thing is, if the height of the tower is 50 meter, okay, so the tower of the 50 is, this is given, so what is that? 50 meter. So height of the tower, see, height of the tower, that is 50 meter. So this is also given. So theta, we have two theta. So one is 30 degree, theta 1, and another person the 38 degree. Okay ma. So now go to the problem. Which angle is suitable for this? Okay, so we have two triangles. See, we have two triangles. This is 90, this is 30. Okay, so this is A, B and D. So okay, so we don't need of this one. Okay, so now we can find this tan theta, tan 30 degree. This is 50 meter. Okay, so what is tan theta? Opposite side. It means AD by BD. Okay, so that is 50. BD is not given, so we have to find BD. So the BD root 3, what is the value of root 3? So that is 1 by root 3. So this is 50 by BD. So after that, if we cross multiply, we get BD is equal to 50 root 3. Okay, so 50 into, what is the value of root 3? 1.732. So when you multiply, we get 86.60 meter. So we find one distance. Yes, BD is given, so we found that one distance. So only one more distance is there. What is that distance? It is DC. So this is a distance. Okay, so the person and the foot of the tower. So this distance we are going to find, DC. Okay, so now you have to find the angle tan 38 degree. Okay, so where is the 38 degree? It is here. Okay, so what is the opposite side of 38? AD. Okay, so this is AD. Okay, and adjacent is DC. Okay, DC. Okay, this is D. Okay, students. So what is AD? It is given. So AD is 50 meter. And tan 38, the value is by the calculator or by the logbook. You have to find the tan 38 value. So after cross multiply, DZ is equal to 50 divided by 0.813. So after calculation we get 64 meters. Okay, so DZ is equal to 64 meters. DZ is 64. Okay, so now you have to find the distance of P1 and P2, the distance between the persons. Okay, P1 and P2. So for that we have to add BD plus DC. So what is that? 86.60 plus 64. So after adding we get 150.6 meters. So this is our final distance BC. So the distance between the two persons is 150.6 meters. Okay, students, do you understand, ma? So this is a tower, the green is tower. We have to find this distance BD and DC. So we choose tan theta, tan 30 and tan 38. So the before sums, previous sums, we have done 3 sums. In that 3 sums we have done only one angle. So in this question we have 2 triangles. Okay, that's all. So this is one triangle and this is second triangle. So in both the triangles we are finding tan 30 and this is, here it is tan 38. So if you find this value of thetas, this question will be a simple question. Okay, so I hope you understand the sum. So please, if you have any doubt, you just comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you, students.